to my kitchen where we'll be doing some math. So we're going to start working with rational expressions, and today we are going to be simplifying rational expressions. I'm also going to be putting up blank copies of my notes if you want to print them out and follow along, as well as putting out the filled out copies still on Google Classroom if that just works easier for you. But follow along here, so I'll try to explain everything. So if you remember, back when we had our big flow chart with like all real numbers, rational or irrational, rational numbers were decimals or fractions. So we're going to be working with fractions here. So if I have 15 over 65, I can really just divide both sides here by 5, and I wind up getting 3 over 13. That makes sense, right? It has to go into the top and bottom. But if I had something like 4 times x plus 3 over x minus 5 times x plus 3, if I had something like that, I want to look and see, do I have things that cancel? Yeah, I got an x plus 3 here and here. One on the top, one on the bottom. It's going to cancel out. And all I'm left with is 4 over x minus 5. So for our example today, what we're going to do is take x squared minus 2x minus 15 over x squared minus 9. And we want to factor the top and the bottom here. So if I look at the top, I got x squared minus 2x minus 15. I need two numbers that multiply to negative 15, but add up to negative 2. So I'm going to have x minus 5 and x plus 3. Because if I multiply these together, I get negative 15. And if I add these two together, I get negative 2. And on the bottom, I got x squared minus 9. If you remember your shortcut, this is difference of squares. This is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, and we have a subtraction sign. So I have x plus 3, and then x minus 3. And once I have it factored, I want to look for things that cancel on the top and bottom. I got x minus 5, x plus 3, x plus 3, x minus 3. The x plus 3's cancel out, and I'm left with x minus 5 over x minus 3. And this is our answer.